Introducing Marilyn Devonish, a trailblazer who stands out in the world of personal and professional transformation. A unique and multi-talented powerhouse, she is as energetically radiant as she is innovative. Marilyn specializes in helping her clients navigate the intricate paths of personal and spiritual development and professional and executive growth. Her expertise is grounded in a unique blend of both business and esoteric skills, crafted to empower individuals and teams to unlock their full potential. With her guidance, clients embark on journeys of transformation, unleashing new possibilities and discovering untapped talents. With a keen understanding of human nature and a sharp eye for what it takes to make lasting change, Marilyn offers consultancy services that are nothing short of transformative. Her approach is deeply personal, hand-holding each client from conception to execution, ensuring every goal is met with precision and care. Have a workshop idea that's buzzing around your head? A program that's begging to come to life but lacks the spark to ignite? Marilyn is your catalyst. Her mission is to transform your visions into tangible reality. By collaborating with her, you'll see your workshops and programs morph from concepts into vibrant learning experiences for your chosen audiences. Watch Marilyn in action and witness the blend of her esoteric skills, accelerated learning skills, and professional acumen, creating an atmosphere where inspiration meets execution. She brings a refreshing mix of tradition and innovation, wrapped in a radiant persona that captivates and inspires. Join her ever-growing list of clients who have revolutionized their personal and professional lives, and see for yourself what makes Marilyn Devonish a leader in transformation. Be it a corporate setting or an individual session, her commitment to excellence remains steadfast. If you're ready to take your personal or professional journey to the next level, Marilyn Devonish is prepared to walk alongside you and help lead you there. Embrace the change, be part of the transformation, and discover the limitless potential that lies within. Welcome to a journey of growth, success, and unparalleled transformation with Marilyn Devonish. Marilyn has been a certified coach and multidisciplinary therapist since October 2000 and has been designing and delivering corporate workshops and trainings and working as a project manager since 2003. She is also a TV and radio media commentator, a newspaper and magazine freelance writer, and certified photo reading accelerated learning trainer, which means you get things done to a great standard in record time. Marilyn has been working with global clients online since 2005, 15 years before the world started remote working. So everything she does has been tried and tested for decades to ensure that it is fit for purpose. If you want help to bring your ideas to life or taking your skills to the next level, get in touch. Main website is www.transformationstm.com.